Hello everyone. So today I am going to teach you one topic from hematology, that is how to interpret red blood cell size in the peripheral blood smear. Means what to look in the peripheral blood smear for the red blood cell size. So friends, first of all, the red blood cells should be examined in a tail area where they just touch each other. See, the red blood cell normal size is 7 to 8 micron, and RBC are round shape with a central one-third pallor, that is of normal physiology, normal morphology of red blood cell. And you might have questioned that how the size of RBC is assessed. So the size of red blood cell should be compared with lymphocyte, because the red blood cell size is correspond roughly with the size of small lymphocyte. So the size of red blood cell should be compared with small lymphocyte. And if the size of red blood cell is normal, then it is called as an normocytic red blood cell, which is seen normally in the individual. And if the size of RBC is small, then it is known by the name microcyte. And if the red blood cell size is large as compared to small lymphocyte, then it is called as an macrocytic red blood cell. And if you see the variation in the red blood cell, then it is known by the name anisocytosis. And now we will see which are the causes for microcytic red blood cell. The microcyte is seen when hemoglobin synthesis is defective. So it is seen in microcytic anemia. The examples are iron deficiency anemia. Then it can be seen in thalassemia like hemoglobinopathies. It can also be seen in anemia of chronic disease. These all are the causes of microcytic RBC, right? The fourth cause is sideroblastic anemia. In this four condition, microcytic red blood cell can be seen. Now we will see which are the causes of macrocytic large RBC. So the large macrocytic red blood cell seen in the peripheral blood smear in the macrocytic anemia. The example of macrocytic anemias are, first one is megaloblastic anemia, means in which the B12 or folic acid deficiency is there. Second cause is myelodysplastic syndrome, right? It is one of the blood cancer. Third one is alcoholism. Then it can be seen in liver disease as well, alcohol induced liver disease especially. Macrocytic RBC can be seen in hypothyroidism as well. And the fifth cause is cancer chemotherapy individuals, right? Those patients who received the chemotherapy. All right. So this was about the microcytic and macrocytic RBC causes. Now I will show you a peripheral smear of microcytic RBC. This is the microcytic RBC. The size is less. Okay. This particular peripheral blood smear shows you a macrocytic red blood cell. Here you can see that size of red blood cell is large as compared to lymphocyte. So in this way, the size of red blood cell has to be interpreted. And see friends, whenever you are reporting peripheral blood smear, never forget to mention the red blood cell size in your report. If it is normal, then also you have to write down normocytic red blood cell. Alright, thank you very much and see you soon in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.